Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by sorting what stays versus what gets compressed. This saves space and prevents wrinkles. Place compressible items, t-shirts, sheets down into the bag, folding to match the bag's shape. Once done, leave a small pocket of air so the zipper seals cleanly. This prevents fabric from catching. Make sure the valve is accessible. You will need it for the next step. Close the zipper carefully but quickly. Seal integrity is critical for effective compression and leak prevention. You now remove air to shrink volume. If the bag is manual, press and roll toward the valve in firm, even strokes. This expels air without stress on seams. If the bag uses a vacuum, attach the pump, run for 10-20 seconds, and monitor until stable. Once compressed, snap the valve cap shut, and then test by holding pressure for 30 seconds. A small hiss indicates a failed seal and means repeat the step. Remember, even compression preserves shape and prevents damage. You finish by placing the compressed bag into your suitcase or storage area, keeping it flat when possible to retain shape and avoid stress on seams. Make sure sharp items are separated. Zippers and buttons can puncture the plastic. If you notice loss of compression, act quickly. Reseat the zipper with slow, firm pressure, re-roll toward the valve, or replace the valve cap. These fixes resolve most leaks. Finally, label the bag so you can find contents without reopening it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.